I'll show you how to add an image in the Google Form header. Open your form and click the paint palette icon in the top right. The theme panel opens on the right, and the first section is called Header. Under that header label, click the blue Choose Image link. But stay in that top section first, because the color and font controls lower down change the page itself, not the header. A window opens with 3 tabs across the top: Themes, Upload, and Photos. The Themes tab starts selected, and those are Google's pre-built graphics. They work, but I skipped them because every form I've seen uses the same patterns. Photos pulls from a connected Google Photos account, but I'm staying on Upload because I want my own file. Click the Upload tab. The Upload tab gives you a big drag and drop box. I'm dragging in a file called Header Banner. The moment it lands, Google Forms switches to a crop screen with a selection rectangle sitting on top of the picture. The crop screen locks the image into a wide, short banner shape. You can't make the selection taller, so don't try to stretch the bottom edge down. This is where most people try to keep the whole picture and end up with a bad crop. The area inside the rectangle is the only part that will show. Grab a corner handle and resize the box, or drag inside the selection to move it over the part you want to keep. I'm dragging it so the main part of the image sits in the center, because the left and right sides get cut off on mobile. Then click the blue Done button at the bottom. The header drops into the form right away. You'll see it stretched across the top behind the form title, and the theme panel is still open on the right. I'm going to close that panel with the X so we can see the form clean. Now, a couple of things worth doing right after this. Click the Preview Eye icon in the top bar. The form opens the way someone filling it out will see it, and I'm going to drag the preview window narrower. Watch how the header crops tighter on the sides. That's why I keep the main subject centered so it doesn't get cut off. To swap this image later, go back to the paint palette, choose the same Choose Image link, and upload a new file. The new one replaces the old header immediately, no extra save needed. If this got your header sorted, give it a like, subscribe so you see the next one, and leave a comment saying this was helpful. Comments are what push this out to other people searching for the same thing.